Hey everyone, Nathan from New Horizons Lifestyle here. Today I just want to give you 5 tips on how you can increase your energy throughout the day. These 5 tips you can start implementing straight away, they're quite easy. So here we go. Number 1 is to get regular, good quality sleep. So if you are someone that is irregular with your sleep, you're often staying up late and going to bed at a late hour of the night and sleeping in the morning, or if it's irregular in terms of, one night you might go to bed at 9 o'clock, the next night 11, and it's not a regular sleep pattern. Those things can cause strain on our body, on our brain, and on our neurological system, causing us to feel tired throughout the day. It's proven that if you have a regular sleep pattern with good quality sleep, say for example, if you go to bed at the same time every night and wake up at the same time every morning, have that same sleep pattern, then it is proven that you will have not only a better quality sleep, but you'll have more energy throughout the day, and you'll require less sleep than what you would if you were having an irregular sleep pattern. So number 2 is to drink good quality water. As soon as you wake up, you should actually drink water straight away. Hydrate your body, because you've been in like a fasted state while you've been sleeping throughout the night, and the first thing you should really do is actually hydrate your body with good quality water. It's also important to drink water throughout the day, keep your body hydrated, and I'm not talking about just any type of water. Get a good quality filtered system that will actually filter out all the chemicals and heavy metals, and also energize that water with good quality minerals. That will help you not only to hydrate your body, but hydrating your body also creates a better level of sustained energy throughout the day. So number 3 is to exercise and get your body moving. It's important to get your body moving on a regular basis. If you can, try and do a little bit of exercise every day. It doesn't have to be real strenuous. Even a simple thing as just going for a walk or doing a little bit of yoga, that will get the blood flowing through the body, bring good new nutrients through to the muscles and to your brain, but also flushes out the toxins that you've built up in your body from previous stressful things from yesterday or throughout the day, whether it's exercise related, emotional stress on your body, chemical stress from eating the wrong things. It will help flush out those toxins in your body. It will also stimulate your adrenal system. So your adrenal glands is what actually gives you that internal energy. Often when we feel really drained and it's almost like our batteries are flat, that is something that has been affected from your adrenal glands. Your adrenal glands can actually be drained from various types of different things, but those adrenal glands give us that internal energy, it's like you're charged up, and exercise has been proven to help stimulate the adrenal glands. Number 4, we're up to, number 4 is to eat a good, healthy, balanced diet with good complex carbohydrates, proteins, and good, healthy, unsaturated fats, and to cut out high refined sugars from your diet. So high refined sugars will cause a spike of insulin in your body, in your bloodstream. And when your insulin spikes, you get this, this kind of rush of energy, this euphoric feeling of high energy, but then you also crash very quick. because of the high insulin spike, your body has to work really hard to try and get rid of all that excess insulin and the sugar from your body. So it will work overtime to try and get rid of that, which actually exhausts your body. And the other thing it does too is it actually tries to flush that out of your body, creating a dehydration type effect. So if you cut out high refined sugars and have a good, well balanced diet, you won't have those high spikes of energy, but you'll have a better sustained energy throughout the day. Number 5 is coffee. This is a controversial subject, this one, coffee. Coffee can be good for you in moderation, but it can also be a real drain on your adrenal glands. Like we talked about before, your adrenal glands is what creates that internal energy in your body. And coffee has been proven to also be a real drain on your adrenal glands. And if you are someone who drinks a lot of coffee and is reliant on that coffee to stimulate you, you might even find that you're drinking more coffee now than what you used to because your body is not getting that same hit anymore. Well, it can actually be a drain on your adrenal glands, and in some cases can cause adrenal fatigue. I know myself, I used to drink a lot of coffee, and when I say a lot of coffee, it was like maybe once a day, which is probably not much compared to a lot of people, but for me, that was a lot. And I found in myself that actually caused a bit of adrenal fatigue on my adrenal glands. And when I stopped drinking coffee, at the moment I probably drink 1 coffee a week, and I've found that my energy levels are so much better throughout the day. I feel better. I even feel clearer in my head. I have a lot more clarity in just the things that I'm doing and my day-to-day tasks. I feel a lot clearer in my mind, and there's not any fogginess in my head like I used to when I was drinking coffee all the time. But the main thing is that I have such a better internal energy throughout the day from not drinking that coffee. My adrenal glands are a lot stimulated now, and they're not under that continual pressure of fatigue from the coffee. That's not the case for everyone. Some people can tolerate coffee well and feel good, but I know that there is a lot of people that coffee will affect their adrenal glands, and so that's something that you can try out and just see how you go with it. Maybe cut out coffee for a little bit and just see the difference. If you have a difference in the way you feel with energy and even the clarity, in your head, you may feel a little bit jittery at first. The first few days you may even go through with some withdrawals and possibly may get headaches after a few days, which is the body actually going through withdrawal from the caffeine. But if you stick through it, that will go away and you'll start to feel better again. But just trial it, see how you go. If it's not for you, that's fine. But I know for me that has made a huge difference on my energy levels. So there you go, there's my 5 tips for creating more sustained energy throughout the day. Number 1 is get better quality sleep, regular sleep. Number 2 is to drink water, good quality water. Number 3 is to have a good diet. Number 3 was to exercise and to get your body moving. Number 4 was to eat better, have a good, healthy, balanced eating lifestyle, but also cut out refined sugars. And number 5 was to trial cutting out coffee. See how you go. All right, see you again tomorrow.